Welcome back to Best Laid Plans. It's Heather here and focus camera. It's Heather here and I have a quick STICKII Club monthly unboxing. I do apologize for my hands being in this state. I was moving things and then doing a lot of cleaning and I did not have time to take off my nail polish, so please ignore my chipped nail polish. We're gonna start with the vintage pack, and as usual I will leave all the details about the packs and how to get them in the box, in the description box below. And so we're going to start with the vintage pack. I did get the vintage and pop packs again this time. Okay, so I already see Luna Moth, which is like my favorite thing ever, so I know I'm going to love this. So the theme for this one is From My Desk, so that's very exciting. So right here we have something by Arctic Selkie, and it is a notepad that has this beautiful Luna Moth. Oh my gosh. I love this. I love this. I love, 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 love. I cannot wait to use this. Oh my gosh, look at it's marbled. Okay, so already straight out of the bat, like STICKII Club can, like, they got it. And could this be another stamp from my clear stamp collection? It is. It is a stamp that says "Open Me," and it's like a wax seal. That is so awesome. Oh, I'm really gonna enjoy that. I'm just checking behind. They tuck a lot of things away, but I think everything else is in the main pocket. Okay. Oh, we got more by this artist, and it looks like it's all Art Nouveau themed. Oh my gosh, that is amazing. If you've not seen my any pictures of my house, my entire master bedroom is Art Nouveau theme. And I have like petal lamps and all the curved lines and and lots of Klimt and Mucha. So, oh, this is so cool. Oh my gosh, I love this. I love this. I love this. I love, 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 love. So cool. So we have some more from artist Rachel Bostick. She was featured in the previous month's pack for vintage, and I loved her art then, and I still love it now. It looks like we have some more like female vintage academia. So awesome. And these are kind of washi stickers. We have some vintage typewriter stickers. So from Royal Standard Typewriter. So these are from STICKII Club. And just looking really fun. Some more vintage kind of desk supply stickers. I like that these have sort of a old like archival paper kind of feel to them. Some ink pens. More kind of dark academia theme. Love it. Oh my gosh, speaking of dark academia, oh my gosh, look at this. We've got ravens and like fall leaves and like letters and journals. This is by Cosmic Spectrum Art. And these are really beautiful foil stickers. They're clear stickers. That is amazing. Okay, so I'm really, really happy with this. And here we have some more like entomology kind of botany and biology type stickers with the vintage flora and fauna. And I'm not sure if you're getting the color on this, but it is a kind of a burgundy red and then black and gray. And here we have a whole letter writing and lettering set with vintage stationery. And it's, oh, this is so cool. These are kind of, they're opaque stickers, kind of almost like vinyl quality stickers. Very, very beautiful. And what have we here? We have something from Cosmic Spectrum, and it looks to me like an envelope. And oh my gosh, I bet I could punch this for my planner. Oh my gosh. Yeah, totally dark academia. I definitely got that vibe from this. So this is the artwork, and it's like a fantastical, like dark academia, Victoriana, just everything good I love is in this. And it opens like this. And then it is just like an envelope, and it looks like it's about the size of a sticker sheet too. So you could actually fit your sticker sheets in this for like traveling with them. I love this so much. This is definitely one of my favorite vintage packs. Maybe my favorite one so far. It's like they got all the things that I love. They got the Victorian stationery, dark academia, Art Nouveau, just out of the park. So that was the vintage pack. And moving on to the pop pack. It looks like we have another notepad. This would be one to write on in like a light gel pen. And I really like this. It's kind of got like this plant vibe to it. This might be one I will give to my friend because she loves plants. She has them all over her apartment. So this would be cute for her. And the theme for this one is Sleepy Skies. And we do in fact have a little bookmark that says Sleepy. Super cute. I love little bookmarks. So I'm guessing we're gonna have a lot of like lunar stuff. I'm getting a hint of kawaii in this, even though it's the pop pack, so we'll see. Oh, yes indeed, we're gonna have some lunar stuff. So here's some washi stickers. We got some constellations, moon phases, and it has kind of like a washed pink background. I really like this. So this is cool. We have more moon phases. Oh my gosh. It's like purple, and it has like a very, almost like a rose gold foil to it. It might be like mixed gold and rose gold foil. It's like really subtly shiny and beautiful. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. So we have our first artist here, which is Little Paper Witch. And we have these cute little nighttime houses. We have like a constellations at sea with a lighthouse, lantern here. Just really cute illustrations. And here we have some animals in the nighttime. So these are all like nighttime animals. We got a deer, sleeping dog, fox, sleeping koala bear. And these are by Zoe Harriet. And there's also some subtle foil on these as well. I like when the foil is kind of subtle, like, because it'll photograph better, but I think it also just, it makes it look a little more polished. So we have some more, and these are kind of giving me more kawaii vibes, even though they're not from the Cute Pack. So this is from the Aesthetic Studio. And we have some cute bedtime art. So we have like a cup of tea, sleepy time, special day for reading, a teddy bear, a lamp, some fuzzy socks and slippers, an alarm clock. And these are all this kind of light purple with the gold foil, and they are clear stickers. Oh, wow, okay. We got 2 sheets of this amazing art spread. Oh my goodness. This is by Eureka Art Studio, and they are also the artist of the notepad we saw earlier in this pack. And this is literally like an entire art wall of this scene of this girl in her apartment, and she has this she's like living in a greenhouse apartment, and you can see the stars. The artwork is amazing. This is amazing. Oh my gosh, I'm excited to find this artist on Instagram now. And the last thing in our pack is Full Hollow. This is by Leah Binda. And we have some cute kawaii cats. They look like Luna almost. It has a little crescent moon on her head. We have like a little pill and a rocket ship, some music, cute ramen noodles, and just kind of cute and sparkly and fun. How cute is that? I may have to give some of these to my friend because I feel like she will appreciate them because of how her apartment looks and her love of cats. So I may be giving some of these to her. Oh my gosh, these are such great packs. I'm really, really pleased with this month. Thanks so much for watching this Sticky Club unboxing with me. If you have any favorites from this pack, let me know in the comments below. Give this video a like, and definitely check out my Instagram at Valkyrie Plans. I will tag all of the featured artists in both packs in my Instagram post. And I will see you all in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.